Today I have a 1993 Jeep Wrangler with a 2.5 liter four-cylinder engine. I drove this vehicle earlier in the day and brought it back to my house and parked it in the yard, and came back out about an hour later and the engine would not start. It would crank over but it wouldn't fire. I checked the spark plugs, they're not firing. And normally I would have to do a lot of diagnostics to see what was causing the problem. But after opening the hood, I did notice an odd smell. It smelled sort of like electrical burning. And when I get over here to the computer on the Jeep, right down there, you can really smell a foul odor, like rubber is burning. So I'm going to take the computer off at this time, and we're going to inspect it and see if there's any damage to it. First thing you want to do is come over here and disconnect your battery so that there's no power anywhere on the system. And then come back over here to where the computer is on the driver's side. You have to take out this washer fluid bottle. You can just lift it up and lay it over on top of the engine. And at that point, you can reach in here and move some of these wires out of the way. And there are 3 bolts holding this computer on. There's 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. They're 5/16 inch headed bolts. And there's also a bolt holding this wire connector onto the computer itself. It is also a 5/16. So I'm going to remove all this at this time. After taking the computer out, and this is it laying on the fender here, I took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws out of the cover. You lift the cover off, and upon inspecting here, I did notice right here on the back there's a burnt location right here, and it also on the back side, it actually burned a hole through the cover itself. And if you look right in here, you can see where some gel or something is run down, and right here is where it was burning. It's amazing it didn't catch on fire and catch the whole vehicle on fire. So what I did was I ordered a computer, and the computer number is a 560-27364. And looking at the date on this thing, this is the original computer from this 93 Jeep. And we're going to take the new computer and compare it before we put it in. Okay, here I have the remanufactured computer. I purchased it from Auto Computers off of eBay. Comes with a sticker on this packaging here that tells you to inspect the computer before opening. If you open it and haven't inspected and it's the wrong one, you get an exchange only. This thing does come with a lifetime warranty, and I'm looking at the number on this in here. It says remanufactured 560-27364. And if I look over here on my old computer, it's 560-27364. So this is the correct computer for this vehicle. And mine is not rebuildable. There is a $75 core fee to get the lifetime warranty. So since mine was not rebuildable, I went ahead and paid the $75 to get the lifetime warranty. My total price was $506.99. That's with shipping and warranty and everything. Now we're going to open this up and put this computer in the Jeep. Here I have the new computer installed, and now it's time to connect the battery up and fire this thing up. See what happens. Jumped into the Jeep, put the key in the ignition, and this thing cranked right up. One thing I did like about this computer is the fact that it does come pre-programmed. So really it's a really basic, simple operation to replace. You just take the old one out and put the new one in and then crank it up and go. Thanks for watching.